This lecture is the second part of the rainfall. From the first part, from before the midterm exam, we learn about how to measure the precipitation, how to find missing data to estimate area rainfall. For this lecture now is about the maximum rainfall because it's connected to the flood. Yeah. So the first property of the maximum rainfall we call that the depth area duration analysis. Okay, this is the property of the curve between this axis is area and this axis is percentage of point rainfall for a given area, and each line represents the different duration. Okay, it means compared to the point rainfall, if the area increase, the average rainfall decrease. Okay, and if the duration of rainfall increase, so we expect that like this, the duration of it the curve is go up to almost a straight line. Okay, if the duration of rainfall increase. And if we plot if we use observe point rainfall and plot the contour, we call the ISO height contour line of the depth of rainfall, ISO height rainfall, because this line is 100 millimeter and 50 millimeter, so it's like the contour line of rainfall depth. This rainfall we can develop the table. Okay, from this table at the contour at the ISO height 100 meter, we find the area for the closest line for 100 meters. So this is area for something like this. And then for the 90, okay, for 90 meter we find area cover this area. Okay, and put in here. Put for the 90 about the 30 square kilometer. And the next for the 80. For the 80, we find the area. This is area for the 80 millimeter. So we measure and plot and write in the area of the closed line. For the 50 is okay. For the 50 is for the whole area is about 230 square kilometer. The next we find the area between the ISO height. This area between ISO heights, and the next we find the depth. The fourth column we find the depth, average depth of the ISO height. So we just take the average. Let's say this 5 is mean from 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 65. So that's just the average of depth of rainfall. And the column 5, we find the volume of the rainfall is from column 3 multiplied by 10 power 12 convert to cubic millimeter and time the area, time the depth. Okay, column 4. So column 3 time 10 power 12 time depth. We got this volume of the water. And the next we find the accumulated volume, and the last column is from column 6 divided area of closest line and divided by 10 power 12. So we got the average area rainfall. So next we use the last column to be the y-axis and the second column to be the x-axis, and plot the curve on this curve, area and the rainfall depth. So this is show the relationship between the rainfall depth with area for one duration. If you have many durations, example 6, 12, 6, 12 at 24 hours, so we expect that the increase of the area rainfall. Okay.